Pause. If your goal is to make money in real life, not just collect side hustle facts like Pokemon, hit subscribe. I break these down like a science experiment. What works, what fails, and why. Now, here are 6 side hustles people try. And the truth, nobody explains. 1. Shopify Dropshipping. Shopify Dropshipping is not a store. It's a marketing lab. Here's what it is. You sell products online without holding inventory. Someone buys, supplier ships, you keep the difference. Sounds automatic, right? Wrong. You're responsible for the hardest part, getting attention. Think of it like this. A dropshipping store is a vending machine, but you have to drag people to it. So your real job is finding a product people actually want, writing good ads, testing creatives, beating competition. Lesson: dropshipping pays people who can market. If you can't market, it'll market you into bankruptcy. 2. YouTube automation. YouTube automation is the dream. Faceless videos, outsourced editing, AI voice, money while you sleep. But here's the part everyone skips. YouTube doesn't pay for videos. It pays for attention. If your content doesn't hook people in 2 seconds, you don't get views. No views leads to no money. The system you need: strong niche, one clear audience. A repeatable video format. High retention, keep people watching. Lesson: automation isn't the business. Attention is the business. 3. Freelancing. Freelancing is the fastest way to get paid because it's literally trading skill for cash. Editing, writing, thumbnails, design, VA work. You do work, you get money. Simple. But here's the trade-off. If you stop working, the money stops. So freelancing is a great cash injection, not automatic freedom. Teacher tip: if you want it to scale, you productize it. Turn your service into a package, template, or system. Lesson: freelancing equals quickest income. Scaling comes later. 4. AI content creation. AI content creation is like giving everyone a printing press. The barrier is low, anyone can post now, which means competition is insane. So the winners aren't people who use AI. They're people who use AI to do 3 things better. Hook, make people stop scrolling. Clarity, simple message. Consistency, post like it's your job. Lesson: AI is a multiplier. If your content is mid, AI helps you make mid faster. Mid! 5. DoorDash. DoorDash is the I need money this week side hustle. Deliver food to get paid per order. Easy start. But it's not just money. It's math. Your car, your gas, your time, your best hours. 2 people can work the same shift, and one makes double. Why? Efficiency, best zones, peak times, stacked orders. Lesson: DoorDash isn't passive income. It's performance income. 6. Uber/Rideshare. Uber is DoorDash, but your passenger can talk. Same concept. Drive people. Get paid per ride. Sometimes it pays more than delivery, but the same rule applies. You're still trading time, and your car is the employee. Lesson: Uber is great for fast cash, but it's not scalable unless you move into something bigger. Here's the truth. Side hustles aren't good or bad. They have different jobs. There are 2 categories. 1. Cash now. DoorDash, Uber, freelancing. Fast money, limited by time. 2. Scale later. YouTube automation, AI content, dropshipping. Can scale. Takes longer, plus requires skill. The mistake people make? They pick a scale later hustle, but they need cash now money. Then they quit before it works. Real strategy: use a cash now hustle to fund a scale later hustle. That's how you escape the 9-to-5 gravity. If you want more breakdowns like this, subscribe. Next video, I'll rank these from easiest to hardest and tell you which one fits your personality.